What's going on, guys? Today I am working on actually kind of a little bit of things today. Buddy Dave and his buds coming over. We're gonna maybe stab the engine in the car today, who knows, or tomorrow. I don't know. In the meantime, they're not here yet. I'm gonna start taking apart some pieces on the head just so I can finish cleaning it up, getting all the gasket material off, finish getting all the gasket material off this head. And my head bolts did come in, so I'm going to be installing the head on the motor today. Maybe going to pick up a camshaft, who knows, I don't know. And yeah, then the motor will pretty much be ready to be put back together. I got my valve cover. Also, got a bunch of tools for Christmas, which is pretty fucking sick. I got like the stage 2 of the Milwaukee guns. Like I got the smaller ones right over here, but these are like kind of like the stage 2 ones. And I got a battery operated grinding wheel, so I don't have to use that crappy Harbor Freight one anymore. Then I got some bits and bobs of like some lights and like a knife and stuff like that. But other than that, let's get started. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna start by taking the valve spring, like I guess lifters or like the covers, I don't know what they're called, off the valve so I can flip the head upside down and they don't just go falling everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. What?
Do you have a magnet?
Why would happen?
Because I dropped the fucking razor blade inside
in the block. Where's it at?
I don't know. Somewhere down there.
I was just gonna come over here with the camera and ask you, like, oh, like, hey, how's progress going? And guess you answered that for me.
It's over here. I got it.
That would have been cool if it was still in the motor when it ran.
No, that was before.
What's going on, guys? I'm continuing from where I left off yesterday. Yesterday I was working with Dave, finishing taking apart his motor. I was also assembling my engine, and I noticed something wrong. My head gasket is upside down. There's like little tiny, like not studs, but like little tiny indents or something inside the head gasket, and they're wrong. They're supposed to be in the opposite direction. I thought when I put the head gasket in the first time it was orientated correctly. It's orientated correctly from front to back, but it's upside down, so it needs to be flipped. But I do have the accessories on the motor. I still need to stop at the junkyard to pick up a camshaft, and then I can pretty much just put the motor back together and in working condition. Yeah, so it's pretty much almost done. I just got to tighten up some stuff here and there, and yeah, once I get that camshaft and put everything back together, I should be good, and then my motor will be ready to put back in the car. Sorry about that, guys. My camera battery's died, so we're gonna be rocking the cell phone. I have a problem with batteries, so I gotta make a block off plate right there, and I gotta make a block off plate right there on the back of the head, as you can see. And then this motor should be good and be ready to put back in the car. Other than that, I mean, like, that's really it. So I'm gonna continue. I gotta take the head back off, flip the head gasket back around, tighten up a couple of things over here because I let the RTV cure, and that's it. And then my motor is good, and we can throw it back in the car, and then we can focus on assembling Dave's engine and throw it in his Celica.
Oh, so we just have to put the knuckle bolts.
We just have to put the knuckle bolts back in and bolt the wheel in.
Alright, that's it.
Not bad, not bad.
Alright, let's go to the junkyard. Alright, well, we got some progress done for today, boys.
Got some pretty good progress. I got the water pump,
Hell yeah.
or the oil pump back on and sealed, replace this seal, clean this up a little bit. I need to clean that, and then I can fucking reseal this bullshit, and then put the actual oil pan on after we run it through the parts washer, hopefully. But this motor definitely needs some love, some Marble Mystery Oil for sure.
What do you mean that's fucking mint?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, just run it.
On the other hand, mine's completely fucked. No, I'm kidding. So I need to change my cams and change the alignment of my cams, time the motor, get the right timing belt, oil filter, and really mine's just a bunch of little stuff.
A bunch of little stuff.
You know what, maybe I should write, I'm actually gonna write it down. Like
It's a good idea.
Just the little stuff that I need.
Yeah, I do that all the time. I write like a little list.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta get a whiteboard and put it up on the wall.
Yeah, a whiteboard would be nice.
Yeah.
Fucking keep things in order.
Alright. Let's call it a night, boys.
All right, sounds good.